Good afternoon, students. 12th Accountancy. Last class we have studied interest on capital. Interest on capital formula is interest on capital equal to amount of capital into rate of interest. That is interest on capital formula. That is very carefully listen, students. This month is very important. Which month is introducing new capital? Which month is additional capital introduced? That month is difference only. Introduced month is 1 month, means next one additional capital introduces another month. That calculation is difference only. Which month is opening, means that continue 12 month is end of the month, 12th month is closing month. January is a opening month, means automatically December only closed. That is 12, number of month is 12 month only. Next, but my April 1 you starting opening month is April 1, means closing month is, which month is closed? March 31st. That is closed month, that is opening or closing. There is bank period. Bank period is followed this month only. April 1 is opening, 31st March is closing date. This month the calculation only bank followed. Okay, that is interest on calculation means that is which month is opening, which month is closing, which month is introduced capital, additional capital is which month is introduced, means is some month is difference. Mention that month is calculate only in additional capital rate of interest. Okay, students, today one new method of sum, that is same only, but first chapter the statement of a sum for first lesson is first 1 to 5 sums is this method only. Closing capital, add, drawing less, additional capital. That is single only, single, but this lesson is double. That is single person, means this sum is double person calculated. Statement of a year plus additional rate of interest. You calculated this method sum. This method is important 5 mark sums, students. Everybody, you understood and you thorough this chapter. Okay. First I read out the sum. From the following balance sheet of Subha and Sudha, who share a profit and loss equally. Listen, students. One word is important, you underline. Subha and Sudha, who share a profit and loss equally. Profit and share equally. Calculate the interest on capital 6%. The year ending December 31st. Year end December 31st means automatically opening is which month? Which month this account opening? January 1st is opening month. Okay, students, balance sheet, liability side is capital account, Subha and Sudha, current liability. Asset side, fixed asset and current asset. That double side amount is equal only. That is, this one is question. Next, additional, the drawing Subha and Sudha during the year 2500, 3500 respectively. Profit earned during the year was 15,000. During the year was 15,000. One word is very important. You listen, students. The Subha and Sudha is profit and loss share equally. Share equally. Okay, students, you write accountancy note. You used only in single page only. The sum. First one is particulars. Next one is Subha account and Sudha account. Subha and Sudha means that one column. First one column is debit column. Second one credit column. You write. First one is capital account. Capital on 31st December 31st December 2017 means automatically that capital is closing capital. Closing capital is how much, Subha and Sudha? 15,000 and 20,000. Had drawing. Same first chapter, this method, sum only. Same only. How much is drawing? 2,500 and 3,500 is drawing. Add. Add me had how much? 15,000 plus 2,500, 17,500 in Sudha. Sudha is 20,000 plus drawing 3,500. Listen student, add and less, this word is compulsory you write in particular column only. You do not write in date column. You write only in particular column only you write. Next one, less profit already credited. Profit already credited. How much is profit earned? 15,000. Listen student, the share a profit and loss share equally. Share equally means the profit is how much rupees? 15,000 rupees. How much rupees? 15,000 rupees. The 15,000 rupees equally means 7,500. 7,500. Subha 7,500. Sudha and 7,500. Less. Already 17,500 less 7,500 means answer is 10,000. Subha answer is 10,000. Sudha answer is 23,500 less 7,500 means answer is 16,000 only. Calculation on interest on capital. Listen students. Calculation interest on capital. Subha is opening capital is how much? This one is December 31st is closing. Now last answer is opening capital. Opening capital is 10,000 into rate of interest is how much? 6% is a rate of interest. The rate of interest is 6%. 10,000 into 6 by 100. 002020 cancel means balance is how much? 100. 100 into 6, 600 rupees. Next one, Sudha opening capital is how much? 16,000 rupees. 16,000 into 6%, 6 by 100 equal to 00 cancel means 160 rupees into 6 rupees, 6% multiply how much is 960. This is opening capital for Sudha. Listen students, this is very easy only. You understood means you use it very easy to work out this sum. This last first lesson same method this only. First lesson you enter in single only, but this sum mentioned some name only. Same method only, but that sum is only statement of a year, but this sum statement of a year plus interest on capital you calculate. Okay students, next one sum number 9. Sum number 9 is same method only, but a little bit only, some few changes only. First I read out the sum. From the following balance sheet, Brinda and Praveen, who share a profit and loss in the ratio 3:4, calculate interest on rate 6% for the year ending December 31st, 2017. Balance sheet. Capital account Brinda and Praveen 30,000 and 40,000. Profit and loss and appropriation account 10,000. Sundry assets is 80,000 only. On July 2017, Brinda introduced additional capital is 6,000. 1st October 2017, Praveen introduced 10,000. Drawing Brinda Praveen during the year were 5,000 and 7,000 respectively. Profit earned in the year was 31,000. Profit earned during the year 31,000. Okay students, listen. Solution. First you write particulars on Brinda and Praveen. You divided particular column, you divided two columns. You use only in single page only. First one, capital. Capital date is which date? December 31st, 2017. December 31st means that capital is opening or closing capital. Listen students, you carefully watch this video. That is capital is closing capital. Closing capital. Add how much is closing capital? 30,000 and 40,000. 30,000 is Brinda. 40,000 is Praveen. Add drawing. Add drawing how much? Drawing. How much drawing? 5,000. In last line, listen student. Last line, drawing Brinda Praveen during the year 5,000 and 7,000. Drawing is how much? You enter in 5,000. Listen students, last line. This question 5,000 and 7,000 respectively. Okay, add drawing. Add drawing means how much balance amount is 35 rupees in Brinda. 47,000 rupees in Praveen. Next one, less additional capital. Less additional capital. Listen students, on July, Brinda introduced 6,000. August, Praveen introduced. October, Praveen introduced in 10,000 in additional capital. Additional capital is less only. Additional capital is less only. Listen students, you write inner column, outer column. Afterwards only you write outer column. First, additional capital is Brinda is how much? 6,000 rupees. Now Praveen is how much? 10,000 rupees. Next one is profit already credited. Profit is how much? Profit 10,000 rupees. Listen students, this one line is very carefully you follow students. First one is profit and loss appropriation is 10,000, but this last line is the profit earned during the year was 31,000. Listen students, the double time profit earned means credit profit equal to earned profit. Credit earned profit is how much? 31,000. Credit profit is 10,000. 31,000 minus 10,000 is how much? 21,000. Listen students, you note it down. Earned profit is 31 rupees. Profit and loss and credited is 10,000. 31,000 minus 10,000 equal to 21,000. How much? 21,000. Okay, listen students. The profit and sharing loss in 3:4 ratio calculated. The profit lost sum is the profit is share equally. But this sum is, listen student, this sum is 3:4 ratio calculated in profit and loss. Its profit and earned profit is how much? 21,000. Earned during the earned profit is 31,000 minus profit and loss 10,000 is minus. Answer is 21,000. The 21,000 is divided equal to 21,000 into 3 by 7. 3 by 7 is, listen students, 3 by 7 is 3:4. 3:4. 3 plus 4 how much? 7. First one figure is 3. 3 by 7. 21,000 into 3 by 21,000 into 3 by 7. The answer is 9,000. The answer is 9,000. Same calculation, 21,000 into 4 by 7 equal to, answer is 12,000. The ratio is, Brinda ratio is 3 percentage. Praveen is 4 percentage. The ratio only share the profit and loss. Share in profit and loss ratio. But first sum is equally share equally. But this sum is 3:4 ratio calculated. Profit and loss calculated in 3:4 ratio. Okay, listen students. Again one time. The profit last sum is profit and loss share equally, but this sum is profit and loss appropriation 10,000. But this some profit earned in 31,000. 31,000 minus 10,000, answer is 21,000. 21,000 is 3:4 ratio divided. One person is Brinda is 9,000. Praveen is 12,000. Next one, added 15,000. Already additional capital plus profit add 15,000. This side additional capital 10,000. Profit and already credited in 12,000, add in 22,000. The total is Brinda is already 35,000 is amount. 35,000 is closing capital and drawing. Less this amount, answer is 20,000. 35 minus 15,000 equal to 20,000 is Brinda January opening capital. This one is opening capital. And now Praveen opening capital is already closing capital and drawing added is 47,000 rupees. Additional capital and profit added in 22,000 minus 47,000 rupees minus 22,000. Answer is 25,000. Same method only students, but this sum is 3:4 ratio only calculated. That sum is share equally. Next one, calculation interest on capital. The opening capital is how much? Opening capital is 20,000 into percentage 6 by 100 by answer is 1,200. The additional capital, the average month of 6 months. Additional capital is for 6 months. The average period is 6 months. 6 by 12, 6,000 into 6 by 100 into 6 by 12. The answer is 180 rupees. The total is 1,380 rupees is interest on capital. The interest on capital is calculated is finally opening month for opening. You calculate only opening capital amount. You calculate opening capital amount only you calculate. Okay students, next class, next one, new methods of sum we will discuss. Dear students, do not waste your time. The students, time is very precious only. Every day you watch classes, you follow. That work is 12th standard. Very carefully you read. Some tests you follow. Okay students. Okay, do not waste your time. Well, listen students, this sum you enter your classwork. Okay students, thank you.